Hey guys, it's Mrs. Hoover. I cannot begin to tell you how excited I am to get to Alaska and to be your teacher this year. I'm sorry I'm not there for the start of the school year, but I am on my way. We're driving from Florida. It's a long journey, but it's going to be great. I just wanted to introduce myself to all of you and tell you a little bit about all the things that I love in life. And I'm sure to add so many to that list once I get to Alaska. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you in just a few short weeks. Take care and have a great start of the school year. Bye!
Looking down out of this little round window on silver wings at 20,000 feet, at lakes and streams and fields of green, I tend to think the most peculiar things. Ribbons of highways, side roads and byways, people going always, always in a hurry, gotta get there. But just where from up here I'm not sure where it's all going or what it all means. But sometimes I think it's just a simple thing. I close my eyes and I realize all I really need is the love I have and the love I have to give. Anything else there is insignificant in this tiny life. Wheels hit the runways, Mondays run into Mondays. Some days are better than some days. Can't see the sky, skyscrapers too high. 30-second daydream at another red light. I'm back in my hometown on roads that we rode down. Those sights and sounds are yesterdays now. Those deadlines and stress lines, too much on my mind. I'm getting it all, but what's it all for? Sometimes